Hi, welcome to Triad Solutions. Today, we are excited to demonstrate My Inventory, our advanced inventory management software. This robust solution is designed to revolutionize how you manage your inventory. It streamlines daily operations, reduces manual effort, and boosts efficiency. Enjoy real-time inventory tracking to manage incoming and outgoing stock with ease, always keeping your inventory up to date. Our software also features advanced invoicing, comprehensive reporting, and detailed history modules to simplify your business processes and support smarter decision-making. Contact us today to discover how Triad Solutions can optimize your operations and drive success. Once your business is on board, you will receive user credentials. Use the provided details to log in. Simply click on the Login button to start using the portal. This is the main dashboard page. Here, you can view multiple columns that display detailed information for each item, including item name, part number, total inward quantity, total outward quantity, stock available, stock value in rupees, minimum stock level, and options like delete item. Here, you can see the Add Item button, which allows you to add a new item to the inventory. Click the button to open the item entry form. On this page, you'll need to provide details such as the item name, part number, date of purchase, invoice value, and quantity. You'll also find an option to set a minimum stock alert. This helps generate notifications when stock levels fall below the defined threshold. Once all the information is entered, click the Save button to add the new item to the inventory. Once you add a new item, you'll be automatically redirected to the main dashboard. To manage the item, simply click on its name. A pop-up will appear with two buttons, Inward and Outward. To add inward stock, click the Invert button. You'll then see a form where you can enter the inward details. After filling in the information, click Save. You can see the inward history below, with all related entries. You can also download this history report by clicking the Download button. Similarly, to record an outward entry, click the Outward button. Fill in the required details and click Save. The outward history will then be displayed below, and you can download the report by clicking the Download button. Based on the entry, the main dashboard will be automatically updated, reflecting values such as total inward quantity, total outward quantity, stock available, and available stock value in rupees. From the dashboard itself, you can monitor your current stock levels and the total invested value in available stock. The system also generates alerts for idle stock. If any stock remains unused for an extended period, an alert will notify you. This helps prioritize the movement of older or idle stock, reducing storage costs and optimizing inventory turnover. In addition, minimum stock alerts are triggered whenever available stock falls below the defined minimum level, helping you avoid stockouts and ensure timely replenishment. Our intelligent alert system plays a crucial role in reducing costs and improving efficiency. Idle stock alerts notify you when items remain unused for too long, allowing you to clear them through promotions, prioritize their movement, or free up valuable warehouse space, ultimately reducing storage costs, preventing waste, and improving cash flow. On the other hand, minimum stock alerts help you avoid costly stockouts by notifying you when inventory levels fall below the set threshold. This gives you enough time to reorder without resorting to expensive last-minute purchases, while also preventing production delays and lost sales. Together, these alerts act as an early warning system, enabling better planning and forecasting, which helps maintain optimal stock levels and supports smarter, data-driven inventory decisions. Another valuable feature is the ability to import your existing inventory data using a predefined Excel template. This template comes with clear, step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. By simply filling in your current inventory details, such as item names, part numbers, quantities, purchase dates, and values, you can upload the entire dataset directly into the system. This significantly reduces the time and effort required to add items manually, minimizes data entry errors, and ensures a smooth and efficient onboarding process for your inventory. Another powerful and exciting feature is the ability to download detailed reports with just a single click. By selecting the Reports button, you'll be directed to a comprehensive set of report options, including inward, outward, and dashboard reports. These reports allow you to export date-wise transaction histories, giving you clear visibility into your inventory movements across any specified time period. Whether you're reviewing purchase trends, sales activity, or stock levels, these reports are directly tied to your business's operational performance and are invaluable during audits and financial reviews. With this feature, you can easily track inventory trends, identify high-performing or slow-moving items, and make informed decisions to optimize stock management, improve profitability, and support strategic planning. It not only simplifies record keeping but also empowers you with actionable insights at your fingertips. So, this is an overview of MyInventory, our comprehensive inventory management system designed to streamline your operations and empower your business. With powerful features like real-time stock tracking, intelligent alerts, seamless data import, and insightful reporting, MyInventory helps you save time, reduce costs, and make smarter decisions. Whether you're managing a small business or a large-scale operation, our solution adapts to your needs and drives efficiency at every step. Thank you for exploring MyInventory with us. We look forward to helping you take control of your inventory and grow your business with confidence. To get started, simply fill out the inquiry form or contact us using the provided details. We'll be happy to assist you in onboarding your business and unlocking the full potential of MyInventory.